What's up, traders? So in this video, I'm going to be talking about my prediction and some other news that I have regarding Amazon and the stock direction. So first of all, let's look at Amazon, how it's trading today. Today is July 21st, 2020. It's currently 10:34 p.m. I live in the West Coast, so Pacific Standard Time. So Amazon is down 1.83% or $58.55 today, but after hours it's up 0.04%, $1.21. So if we look at the weekly chart, last week it did decrease a lot, but at market open this week it increased. And the reason why it increased so much, if we look at this line right here, which was pre-market, the reason why it increased so much is because Amazon is definitely expecting to beat earnings. I mean, think about it. Everybody's quarantined, everybody's locked down, no one wants to leave their house, and there's been an increase in Amazon purchases and demands. So it only makes sense that Amazon will beat earnings. And when it beat earnings, it could even have a 10% jump in the stock, and 10% when the stock is trading at over $3,000 would be like a $300 move. Therefore, I feel that by the end of this week, Amazon can end up closing at $3,200, and by next week when they announce earnings, they could definitely shoot up to over $3,400 to $3,500, and that is actually a pretty good guess. If we look at the monthly chart, monthly highs are at $3,336. So if we expect a big move, it can definitely shoot up like crazy. Now let's take a look at this insider information. All right, guys, well, here we are. Please don't hate me. It's kind of a joke, but here we see this post on Wall Street Bets. It says Amazon 3,800 call, can't go tits up. And we see a message screenshot between a customer and a customer service rep, Leo. So it says, yes, thank you for your business. You're welcome. It is done. I have successfully issued the refund to your original mode of payment. It will be credited back to your account within 3 to 5 business days. Anything else I can help you with? Thank you. Just a besides question, you think Amazon will beat earnings report this quarter? In this case, due to increase in online shopping, I think we will beat the earnings report this quarter. That's my personal opinion. There you go, guys. It says it here. It literally can't go tits up. All right, so that's it. $3,800 Amazon calls expiring Friday next week. You guys should probably be in the green. I'm clearly joking, guys. Don't do that. Options trading is extremely risky, can result in big financial losses. So make sure you know what you're doing. Make sure you set stop losses. Make sure you don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. And oh yeah, that's been it, guys. Let me know what you guys think. It was kind of a meme video with a little bit of speculation, but let me know what you guys think. Definitely. That's been it, guys. Peace.